Hello students, let us see this question. The minute hand of a clock is 3 centimeter long. How far its tip move in 25 minutes? So this is a simple question. You can see that R is equal to 3 centimeter and time is given 25 minutes. The logic behind here is for 60 minutes you know that the angle subtended is 360. Am I right? Therefore, 1 minute, how much angle is that? That is 360 by 60 equal to 60 degree. It will turn for 1 minute. So, for 25 minutes, it will be 360 by 60 into 25. That means it will turn 150 degree angle. Got it? Now convert this 150 into radian. So we have to multiply with the pi by 180. So it will change into 5 pi by 6. So we will get theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. Therefore, L we can easily calculate L is equal to r theta. So L is equal to 3 into 5 by 6. Therefore, L is equal to, after cancellation, 5 pi by 2 centimeters.